We finally have some good news on our start date, and it's not that far away.
So we had a meeting with the builder and the architect a couple of days ago. We hadn't got a date set in stone and we thought it would be in a couple of weeks. So we go away on Saturday. Today is Thursday. And yeah, we had this meeting on Wednesday, didn't we? And he was like, oh, we can start on Monday. And we were like, haha, no, because we're not here. But it's kind of given us a bit of a kick up the bum now. It's happening. We think the extension's concrete floor. This bit where I'm stood now, it's like a suspended floor, so it all bounces, and we don't actually know what's under here. It's all a bit unknown, so while we're away he's going to come and have a look. And then we've got big garage clear out, so you'll have to stay tuned and see that, because that's going to be an experience.
I'm looking forward to it.
We say
I can't believe how, I mean, we've done this in an hour, so
we say we're
less than an hour.
Yeah, I mean there weren't that much stuff in here.
There was enough.
3 bits of furniture and some gym stuff. And we've got to clear the kitchen out as well, because the extension runs all the way across the back of the house, as you guys have seen. So all of that's got to come out, and we'll be making a temporary kitchen in the utility.
So it's 10 to 6 on a Saturday. We have just got back from Scotland. Had an amazing week, by the way. This window needs to come out. We need to make a bit of a walkway so that we can get through into the utility room. So I fancy giving it a go.
Looks like an old serving arch. We haven't got one, we didn't have one of these, did we? But that's a 70s thing.
Yeah.
So are we, baby? The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now. Give it.
As you can see, this is absolute carnage. Yeah. Oh, your toy. So yeah, this is the current situation. We are clearing and relocating. So this is going to be our main sort of living space. So we've kind of going to use this as a bit of a utensil drawer. There's just stuff everywhere. And then we're in the kitchen, clearing it all out into this little utility room, which you've all seen before. So we're hoping to be able to put a sink here. And then this is like the other side of the boiler. So this will all kind of get blocked up, and we're hoping that we'll be able to put the oven, cooker in here.
One oven in situ, one sink, replumbed in washing machine, and a nice doorway into his living space.
So this is what we're looking like. Obviously it's been the hottest 2 days of the year, the past couple of days, which is just our luck as we're starting the build. But to be fair, the lads have been amazing and have been proper grafting through the heat, and we've made some really good progress. So you can see from the back of the house that all the windows and doors are out. The floor in the dining room is up, and that is all boarded. All the windows and doors out in the garage, and the garage roof is off. I don't think it'll be too much longer until this is completely down, so I wanted to show you. Stanley having a good time. And then the kitchen window is out and the kitchen is out as well. So this gives you a really good idea of the space that we're going to have. That's the boiler there. And this is kind of basically where the wall is going to be that we put in, so you can see the depth. So we'll have kitchen units. There'll be a door into the utility room, full height units, and we'll have an island there. It's just really great because I feel like we can actually visualise the space a bit better now we haven't got any windows. So I think today's job will be to take the rest of the roof off, and then we'll see about actually knocking it down. I think by the end of the week that bit should have started. So yeah, it's very exciting, and I can't wait to show you guys a bit more. Okay, so I've literally just got out the car from work and look at it. Oh my god, the garage is gone. Oh my god. I mean, they've neatly stacked the bricks out the front, but whoa. Oh my god, this is crazy. I mean, I kind of knew that they'd work fast, but gee whiz, I didn't think it'd be quite this quick. Oh, and the roof's off as well, look. Oh my god. I knew that them, like, I don't even know what you'd call those. They're meant to be, I don't know, decorative, and they're ugly, but they've fallen off. Jeez. Oh my god, I literally have it. Oh, what have they done? I'll just start taking the floor up there, look. Well, this is day 3, everybody, and I feel like this is a massive, 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 massive change. It's going to be down this week. It's literally such a huge change. Like, I'm actually shocked at how quickly they've done all of this. I mean, I knew demolition was probably one of the quickest stages because you're not really precious about anything, and it's all coming down. But no, I'm really, really impressed. So let's go inside and get an update from Adam, and we'll see what the plan is next. So a quick update, when I went in the house, spoke to Adam. Basically, they started taking the roof off and knocking the garage down today, and the last bit of roof that's left over the kitchen is quite hilarious, and obviously sod's law, 70s build and all that. The roof joists are actually holding the upstairs. There's a steel beam underneath, but the roof joists are sat on that, and the wall built on top. Like, cut the boards, but I don't really know how structurally sound that is. But yeah, the plan was to obviously take the roof off, take this extension down, and then deal with the goalposts. And then when we're taking these out, that's when they would plan to then prop it all up. But there's just gonna have to be a little bit of a rethink just for that bit. But I mean, it is really odd because the dining room, as you can see, is then constructed differently. So yeah, like I said, these 70s builds are renowned for being bodged. But we'll get around it. Hopefully it's not too much of an issue. and it won't hold anything up. The brickies are coming on Monday with a digger, and the foundations will start to be dug then. Are you excited? Yeah. Come on then. Okay guys, so again, the big reveal when I get home from work. So as you know, the garage was already down yesterday, and then today all of the back extensions are gone, which is just crazy. It's made the house look like quite small. A bit weird. Go upstairs, have a look. God, it's just so weird. So this is kind of what I think the original house was. Because that extension isn't original. And I kind of don't feel like the garage was either. Not sure about this, like the downstairs toilet hall bit. That kind of looks like it probably was there. But then having said that, the roof's changed. So yeah, it's difficult to tell, but I think that this was probably original-ish. So yeah, right back out, and they've improvised by putting bricks in where the roof joists were, so that's kind of been no big deal. And then we'll sort of move on to the next stage, which will be foundations on Monday. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm really impressed with, I keep saying it, but I am really impressed with the guys that they've got on this job. They've achieved way more in a week than what I thought they would have. And we've also kept, you know, our little rising cupboard thing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but no one has ever seen one of these before, and I just kind of feel like in those kind of situations you shouldn't throw anything away, and I'll figure out what to do with it at a later date. So it's just chilling outside with some other bits. We've also got the garage door. We thought it was worth keeping that. They are quite expensive, so there's nothing wrong with that one. And if you want to change it to sort of match the windows or get it sprayed or something at a later date, then we'll do that. But no, it's just so exciting. It really feels like you're going to be able to, you get like an idea of the space now, which is just amazing. I feel like we're doing the right thing now. On the run up to it, it was just a bit all chaotic, and you kind of can't imagine what it's going to be like. But you know, our kitchen setup is okay. Everything's remaining pretty clean because we've got the boards up and then we've got doors as well, so it's like double layer. But yeah, so far so good, and we will keep you all updated with the foundation stage, which is coming next.